Okay, a little bit different than most of the stuff I do on the channel, but an outdoor project nevertheless, and something you can do with basic hand tools. I'll show you what I got. The light green hose. The dark green hose is my hose I've always had. The dark green hose is one I found in the trash pile. What's wrong with it? Let's check it out. Seems to work just fine. All the hose is intact, no holes, nobody hit with a lawnmower. But only when I put a restriction on the end did I find out why they threw it out. Yeah, pretty much unusable. So to recap, where it's leaking is right between the hard part here, the hard brass, and this. I see no way of fixing that except for if you were to heat it up, and you could probably solder that, but we got a different solution available at any home center, eBay, Amazon, anywhere you shop. Let's try it. And depending on the hose you've got, it may or may not be worth fixing, but this one's 50 to 75 feet. It's a Gilmour Flexogen, the real good one. And the only problem is that end piece. So let's replace that. Just to give you the idea, 2022, this hose is about $40. These are $10. Not cheap, but they are solid brass. So if you run them over with a car or whatever, they won't get damaged. I've got the 5/8 and the 3/4. I don't know which hose this is. I don't see any markings on it. It probably is marked somewhere, but I bought both just so I didn't have to run back to the store. Start with just cutting the hose. No reason leaving any extra on the end. And you could cut it with whatever you have to cut it with. Easy enough. Let's clean that up just a hair. Make it flat as possible. Then we're going to see which one is the right one. These ones I happen to get at Ace. This one is a 72699. That's for 3/4, I think. And the 72698 is 5/8. Let's see which one we have. It almost seems like the bigger one, but let's see. Yeah, it is. Okay. Here's the key. Put this, open this up, and put this on the hose first, or else you're going to hate your life. Basic hand tools, all that's needed here. Put that on the hose first. Then, if you want, you could even put some soap or some lubricant on this of any kind you have. But I am going to tap it and see if we can get it in there that way. Get it all the way buttered up so you got as much engagement on those barbs as possible. This was 3/4 hose, by the way. So it was the bigger hose, so it was a premium product, maybe more than $40. 5/8 is like the standard, half is the junk stuff. Doesn't flow water worth a darn. And we'll just tighten that up with hand pressure, and we got a hose again. Let's try it out. Alright, back at it. Well, obviously my shutoff isn't working good. But as you can see, there's no water spraying out, and we're at full pressure. So, cheap, easy repair, do it yourself, basic hand tools, and make an old hose just as good as new. Thanks for watching. I hereby declare this Gilmour Flexogen hose Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.